The luck law of consistency.
Volume negates luck.
If you don't try every day, you might miss your lucky day.
There's no luck in this game, man. It may be a little bit of luck, but the luck happens after you bust your ass.
Time to go out there and make yourself some luck. Manufacture it.
A single understanding of this law has kept me consistent and disciplined in the tasks I need to complete to garner the success I want. So, 2 examples of where this law is rung true for me. Number 1, day trading. Turning up to the markets every single day that the markets are open and I'm willing to trade, so no news Mondays are the exception. Every single day over the past year and a half I've turned up when I'm supposed to turn up and acted regardless of the outcome of the market session and the position I put myself in. I turned up, and just by turning up, the amount of wins I had went up and the amount of losses I had correlatively went up and then tapered off towards profitability. But what I'm trying to say is, if I didn't put myself in those situations, number 1, I wouldn't have the wins I had, but I also wouldn't have the experience of the market. See, with the market, it's very different. You know, turning up to the market, even if you don't act, that is still productive towards the success you want to reap, because you understand it, you see it. Once you see something for so long, you get the pattern recognition, and then that helps you become profitable. I'm getting to that stage now, and I'm starting to see gold because I've studied gold for literally 8 months. The only pair I've traded in the last 8 months is XAU USD, and I'm starting to see the patterns. I open up the market, I kind of can tell what it's going to do just from the way it's moving and the certain section it's going. So the path to profitability comes through consistency in that respect. And number 2, YouTube content. So by me posting 1 video a week, 52 videos a year, the chance of my video blowing up is 1 in 52, potentially, if that's the probability that occurs. But say 1 in 52 videos blow up. If I make 2 videos a week, so that is 104 videos a year, then the chance of my video blowing up is 2 in 154. So I've doubled the chance of my video going viral and me reaping the rewards of YouTube success, monetization, and branching out my personal brand just by doing more videos, just by posting more. So it's very easy to say you're lucky, you luck, but if you just increase the consistency and the output of the things you're doing, so turning up to the market when you're supposed to, turning up to the market regardless of the day before, posting a YouTube video even when you don't want to, recording a YouTube video even if that means you're sitting in your car during your lunch break, just increasing the frequency of the thing you're doing and increasing the output as therefore will make you more lucky. You'll have more opportunities for the luck to seep in, you'll have more opportunities to get lucky, and you'll have more opportunities to reap the rewards of success via pure hard work, consistency, discipline, and brutal penetration of the productive work. It's easy to understand and easy to implement. The only thing you need to do to get the success you want is work more. This kind of meritocratic grind mindset is shit upon in the self-improvement and productivity space, but if you really want the success from the thing you're doing, you need to work hard, you need to turn up, you need to do the things you need to do regardless of what you want in the time. Implement the luck law of consistency. Consistency will beat every single other thing on the planet. As long as you do something with the same quality over a very long period of time, success is guaranteed. The universe is so forgiving in the fact that if you work hard for a certain amount of time, with a certain same consistent quality, with a certain same output, week on week, on day, on month, on year on year, success is just round the corner. And the only difficult part is that you don't know when it's coming. So, for me, because I don't know when the YouTube success is coming, I don't know when one of these videos are going to blow up, I can't predict it. Not many people can. But as long as you have the foundations in place, then over the long run, the consistency will turn to success. So for me, as long as I have the CTR down, the click-through rate, which is via the title and the thumbnail, as long as I have that down, that's good. The tags and descriptions, as long as I have that optimized for the YouTube algorithm in my space, boom, that's good. As long as I have the meat, the bread and butter of the videos, as long as I have that down, as long as I have videos like this where I'm actually interested and passionate in the concept, then the success will come. You have the foundations in place. All you're waiting for is the cement. All you're waiting for is the house on top. Everything's ready. The cake is ready. You're just waiting for the cherry on top, essentially. So have everything in place and success will come over time, over consistent periods of long work. It could be short. It could come fast. It could come slow. It could come exponentially slow. You could be doing this for 5 years, and I'm willing to do this for 5 years because I know it will come. And if I'm still doing it in 10 years and the success hasn't come, I will wake up the next day, record a YouTube video, edit it, post it, and wait. Patience is a virtue, and fortune favors those with consistency, patience, and drive, discipline in the things they're doing. I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand it, and I hope this inspires you to be more consistent, disciplined, and maintain focus on the thing you want to do. Do not heed to the short-term gratification that you believe you deserve, even though you haven't even put 1,000 hours into the thing you're doing. Thank you for watching. If you're looking to get more advice from me, if you're looking to learn more of these laws of productivity, then please look at the top link in the description. It will take you to book a meeting with me where we can discuss different ways I can help you. I can help you implement these tactics that I always talk about in these videos, specified around your day-to-day life, and I can help you change for the better. From pro procrastinator to work dominator, you will change your productive game and get more work done efficiently and effectively. Please look at the top link if you're interested.